Hello everyone. In this session we are going to learn modeling commands, means how to create holes. Simple counterbore, countersunk and tapered holes in solid bodies. For this, open a file or create a sketch in NX CAD. Then choose a hole command. Click on the icon in feature toolbar as shown in whole window will open. There are various selections that need to be done prior to making the holes. First you need to select the type of hole. Select the default general hole. Next you need to define the points at which you need to make the holes. We will see this in NX CAD software. Here I want some holes. For this I will click on hole command. This window will open. Here you can choose the type of hole which you want: general hole, drill size hole, screw clearance hole, threaded hole, hole series. I will select general hole. Then here select a form: simple, या counter bore, countersunk, tapered. Then click on point where you want the hole. Here you can give the dimensions. Okay, then finish sketch. Here you can give the diameter of hole. I will give 10 mm, and depth you can choose as per your requirement. Here boolean operation should be selected: subtract. Click OK. This is how you can create the holes in NX CAD software. Okay, thank you.